Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, uQhawekazi got introduced to Azande as ubaba omncane wakhe, and she was told very told that ubona Azande funa ukuthi ubaba omncinci magama agqwale umlomo, kusho uma-antiza, Azande's mother. And uQhawekazi was shocked. Yabona? UHlathi yena is trying to get hold of uThumeka, kodwa uThumeka akafuni lutho. Uthi uThumeka yena, she wants a divorce and she doesn't even want a family meeting to try and figure out what's the problem or how they can fix it or how they can move on. NoHlathi, she doesn't want to spend another 20 years with uHlathi. We spend 20 years lo one, lo munye, it's a no for her. So akayidingi yonke leyo nto. uQhawekazi tells uZethu ukuthi yena she slept with ubaba omncinci. uZethu is like, hayi bo cha, izinto enizenzayo girl, izinto eniziyenzayo girl, hayi, it's too strong, it's dangerously strong. So Azande uthi yena he's back in South Africa and he's not going back to America anymore because the experience and everything that he went there for uyitholile, and manje he's ready to come back home. And umawakhe says that uLazarus' dad promised that Azande would be the one who takes over in Ncukane Industries when yena retire, because uSigqibo already has ikhusela and he doesn't want to involve himself with izinto zaka Ncukane and all that. Uthi ubaba Lazarus, why does it feel like ma-aunties are ready to push him, yabo, and give Azande the chance to. Also, no, it's not like that. It's just that ubusushilo nje uthi tired as a man. Kodwa uTaka Lazarus has a worry ukuthi, okay, since manje Azande is back in South Africa, when is he going to continue with the traditions of that he's been running away from? Hey, u-Anto wafila kabuhlungu because it's very heartbreaking. He shouldn't be talking about that in front of people, maybe separately or private. So Thulani is heartbroken with the whole thing Hlathi, because he feels like uHlathi is doing the same thing that her dad did when umawabo ashona, and not so long after that ubaba walandzela. So they were orphans, yabona, ngayo yonke le situation there. They went to uHlathi and uHlathi is not listening. uNtsiki was like, hey bruh, you need to wake up, otherwise uvuka yonke into ingasekho, because at the hospital they are calling ukuthi your people are not coming to work, and the site that they gave you anuka kuthini, you need to do something about it. Azande is worried that ubaba Lazarus would not give him this sihlalo that he promised to, because akawayenzi amasiko, and utata Lazarus with amasiko nje, he's like big with amasiko. So yena he feels like he doesn't see it happening. Kodwa umawakhe promise him ukuthi, you know what, when the time is right, it will happen. He promised me, so he needs to keep his promise. Sanibonani, sanibona. We got a new coach, bafethu. We got a new coach on the block. Azande utela is telling uQhawe ukuthi yena he's not a player, he's a coach. Yo, Nkosi yami, at his age telling umntana nje that yena he's not a player, he's a coach. Hey guys, yo, angaze ngayifila embarrassment ngaleyo ndlela. You know, as a grown man as Azande is, I feel like mhlambe sit down and think about it and make it sound grown up and mature and all that. You understand? So uQhawe was like, and she left without saying anything. And the smile on his face when he said, like, I'm not a player, I'm a coach, it's like he's like the proudest moment of his life. It's like the proudest human being at his age calling himself a coach. Uthi Azande yena, as long as uQhawe is not gonna say anything, he's the type of guy who doesn't do strings attached and all that. And we've seen Uqhawe doing that, and she's very dangerous with that. I feel like she doesn't know Uqhawe. I feel like he doesn't know Uchawe. Yeah, I feel like he doesn't know Uchawe kahle kahle because when they were having that dinner, he was busy looking at her. I don't know if he was looking at her just to intimidate her or to make her feel some type of way. Go to Uchawe was not giving in. If there's one thing about Uchawe that I've seen Uchawe executing, yeah. When she says like one night, one day, no more, bro, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it. I cannot wait for him to just feel the fact that he said that it was just like a one night. There's no need to be a drama and all that. Ukawe is a way of just like moving without even Ukawe has a way of moving and making sure you see and you feel the presence and you can feel that she moved on and it bag when inside the heart. Ask my way will tell you. Mawethu knows exactly what I'm talking about because Ukawe did it, and now Azande comes in and says, "You, I'm a coach. Hey, I'm a coach to Ukawekazi." Ukawe would leave this man alone to the point whereby he would feel like he should go every day to Zola and Lazarus' house to have dinner so that she can get a chance to look at her. I know Ukawe. Where guys, Ukawe, uyakwazi ukumwasha. Uyakwazi ukuyiwasha indoda nje endala she can wash a grown-up man. Coach uzowasheka in the way that he never thought he would be washed inside the heart. I'm telling you, Kawe is gonna do that. But I feel like Azande is coming with a lot of troubles. I feel like Azande is coming, Jenna, with a lot of troubles coming. He's just the way he looks at them when they're talking. I feel like he has a lot coming for everyone. It's not just there. He said that on the table. Uyamthanda kulo makoti usho uZoleka. Seems like she's got a lot of things. He brought up the whole going back to America for 20 years and coming back to the husband and then being pregnant, like he was. But then they are not there. The whole family is not there. They moved on. It's a settled case, that one. But yeah, and she athi Uqhawe acts like that was the first decision. That was like is her first wild decision. Kodwa Uqhawe made it clear ukuthi I've never done this before. It's my first time. Mhlambe le heart yakaLukamva, we don't know. But she made it clear this is not my type of shit, but I've never done this before. But yeah, now what's now you act like, yeah, understand that you act like. And I feel like so guys, Azande's mom, I feel like she's gonna support him all the way. The way Jenna the way are happy, excited, and ready to defend is Usana Lake. I feel like she's going to support him even though ayenza wrong. Because tell me why she says that she's going to take everything that she was put in. Ganjan, because beyakhona ubhuti wakhe to take over the business. She was not supposed to, or was not meant to take over the business. Now Basamdanaka will take over the business, and she says that he shouldn't do Lamasi, Kukota, they should give it to him. Knowing Lazarus is dead. Knowing Lazarus is dead, he would want the things to go, Vilimo culture and all that. But what if Azan, and it seems like Azande doesn't want to go there and do all those things, and he knows that Umalumak would not give in if he doesn't do those things. Umawake will go to the extreme, in other words, to make sure you get what is meant for you to get. Now, what are they willing to do as Umage Nemdwana trying to fight for a position that Umawake feels like was stolen from her? It's her birthright, and because she didn't get to sit on that chair, Mdwanake is meant to sit on that chair. But now it seems like Lazarus dead wants certain things to be done for him to get to that chair. The question is, what are they willing to do to get to that chair? Who are they willing to sacrifice to get to that chair? How are they willing to go around it? Because yena umkhuthaza ukuthi he shouldn't do things that he doesn't want to do. Umalume uthi he needs to do that so that he will qualify as a man and take over. And Azande knows, he even said it, do you think that they would let me take the chair if I don't do this? He knows for sure they will not let him take it unless he does what is compelled from him to do. Kodwa umawakhe uthi no, it was a promise a long time ago. What are they going to do? What are they going to do? Njengesichelo nje, uHlathi will always blame other people. uThumeka stood by Hlathi for a million years, for a million things that uHlathi did. We can count it. It's a long list of things that uHlathi did. And when she decides to think for herself and say, you know what, I don't want to do this, uHlathi now is giving up. And Mama Taibo, bro, do something about it. Also, I'm not gonna go there on noThumeka. Okay, if ungeke uzukhona kumncenga umfunelani? Because when it feels like someone is just like and on your fingers, you need to do something about it. He's not doing something about it. He's wearing that gown, drinking, eating in that filthy place. Business iyashabalala nje right in front of his face, his eyes, and he says that they should blame uThumeka. He didn't choose this. So blame abantu until when we start? Until when are we going to blame other people whilst wena ukhona you are standing, whilst wena ukhona uyaphila? uThumeka says she wants to move on with her life and divorce uHlathi.